Welcome to AIMS English. This is Dinaj Ahamed. I've been teaching here since 2018 as an IELTS instructor. Here is one of my batch's farewell classes that I lately completed. I love my students very much. They are amazingly proactive and enthusiastic.
Do you have any questions regarding IELTS, regarding the English language, or any module in specific? I'll try my best to answer. Any question?
What would be the final preparation before my IELTS main exam?
Okay, nice question. Thank you very much. Final preparation. It totally depends on you, where you are now. If you think you are far away from the main content, you have to close that chapter first. If you think you are quite okay and familiar with the system, you should just practice smartly, knowing the weaknesses and the solutions. Or if you can be the host of yourself, that could be better. But if you think you are not, you should have any teacher or any tutor to help you. And if you think you don't have enough scope for that, you can go for any institution you like. And either way possible, you have to get things done. And this will really be helpful. So I think you should know who you are, where you are, and where you need to go. This will be easy. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for joining AIMS and with me especially. I'm really pleased for you. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
I'm really grateful to my lovely and lively students, as they almost always help me explore more and made my day. Let's watch my students who have shared their feelings about the journey.
Hi, it's Nahid. I am mechanical engineer, studied at Sylhet Polytechnic Institute. I have recently completed my IELTS course at AIMS English. I loved the journey as I had met some new friends. All are amazingly cooperative. Our course teacher is great because he is so caring. In my view, AIMS English is really a great institution and I highly recommended it. I am grateful for everything.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Zaki from AIMS, batch number 107, and I'm doing my English honors from National University. First of all, I'd like to talk something about AIMS. It was an incredible journey, almost about 4 to 3 months. There I got a lot of experiences and lots of friends. But my batchmates were just too good. They were always there for me when I needed any help. Moving to my respective teachers, I got huge respect for them. Because of them, I achieved a lot of things. And also because of them, I'm very close to my goal. And talking about AIMS study system, they are just out of the box. They always provide their best, and I'm very blessed to be there.
It will ever be a pleasure if I have you on my list. So you are always welcome to be a part of AIMS English, sooner or later.